Welcome to our channel, where today we explore one of the greatest enigmas of ancient history, the Pyramid of Giza. For millennia, this colossal structure has stood as a symbol of ancient Egyptian grandeur, but its origins and purpose remain shrouded in mystery. Built around 2560 BCE during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu, the Great Pyramid of Giza is the largest of the three pyramids on the Giza Plateau. Standing at approximately 146 meters tall, it was the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. Despite its imposing presence, the methods used to construct this marvel are still debated among scholars and archaeologists. The pyramid's construction has been a topic of intense speculation. One prominent theory suggests that the builders used a system of ramps to transport the massive limestone blocks into place. These ramps could have been straight or circular, wrapping around the pyramid as construction progressed. The idea is that large, labor-intensive ramps enabled workers to haul the stones up to the required height. Yet, this theory is not without its challenges. Some experts argue that constructing such ramps would have been impractical due to the sheer size and weight of the stones. This has led to alternative theories, including the use of a spiral ramp that wound around the pyramid. The spiral ramp theory posits that a continuous ramp allowed workers to transport blocks more efficiently as the pyramid grew in height. Another intriguing theory proposes that the pyramid's stones were not carved from quarries but were instead created on site using a form of early concrete. This theory suggests that ancient Egyptians mixed local materials with water and poured them into molds to form the blocks. If true, this method would have simplified the construction process and reduced the need for transporting heavy stones. Despite extensive research and experimentation, no single theory has been universally accepted. The lack of definitive evidence leaves room for speculation, and each theory presents its own set of challenges and possibilities. The pyramid's alignment with celestial bodies adds another layer of complexity. The Great Pyramid is aligned with incredible precision to the true north. Its base is level to within just a few centimeters, a feat that would have required advanced knowledge of astronomy and geometry. Some scholars believe the pyramid may have had astronomical or calendrical functions, serving as a cosmic marker or a tool for aligning with celestial events. Additionally, the pyramid's purpose remains a subject of debate. Traditionally, it has been thought of as a tomb for Pharaoh Khufu. However, the discovery of empty burial chambers and the lack of inscriptions have led some to question this notion. Could the pyramid have served other functions, such as a repository of ancient knowledge or a symbol of religious significance? The interior of the pyramid reveals further mysteries. The Grand Gallery, the King's Chamber, and the Queen's Chamber are all intricately designed, yet their exact purposes are still unknown. Some theorists suggest that the pyramid may have had a more symbolic or ritualistic role, beyond its practical use as a tomb. The pyramid's construction also raises questions about the organization of labor and resources. Estimates suggest that tens of thousands of workers were involved in building the pyramid, including skilled craftsmen, laborers, and support staff. The logistics of such a large-scale project would have required advanced planning and resource management. The Great Pyramid of Giza is not just a marvel of engineering but also a symbol of ancient Egyptian culture and religious beliefs. Its construction reflects the values and aspirations of a civilization that revered the afterlife and sought to achieve eternal glory for their leaders. As we continue to study and explore the Pyramid of Giza, new discoveries and technologies may shed light on its mysteries. The quest to understand how this incredible structure was built and what it represents is ongoing, and each new piece of evidence adds to the rich tapestry of its history. In conclusion, the Pyramid of Giza remains one of the most compelling mysteries of the ancient world. Its construction methods, purpose, and significance continue to intrigue historians, archaeologists, and enthusiasts alike. As we uncover more about this monumental achievement, we come closer to understanding the remarkable achievements of ancient Egypt. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the mysteries of the Pyramid of Giza. If you enjoyed this exploration, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on the wonders of the ancient world. Until next time, keep exploring and seeking out the secrets of our past.